Alright, on my way to a car show down in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's by a company called Clean Culture. Just making a little road trip down there. It kind of sucks, it's raining right now, so I'm hoping that'll let up or stop. But yeah, just making a little road trip down there. Gonna stop and get some food because I'm starving. But can't wait to get there and show you guys some of the footage there. It's only $20 to get in too, so that's pretty cool. Got about an hour left. Stopped at the good old B&K there. The rain's starting to clear up, but hopefully it stops and keep posting. Hey, hold that cup up to your face. Yeah, there you go. Looks better already. Alright, I made it. This place is sick as hell. It's pretty loud. It's still raining outside, so I'm in the inside part, but I'll give you guys a view here.
Pull up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Frank.
Nah, I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people wanna kill their sorrow. Some people wanna fit in with the popular, that was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get f***ed up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Pull up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Frank. Okay, now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I'm in your conscience. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're nauseous right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick.
if I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison, abusing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes. I see the feeling of freedom is granted as soon as the damage of vodka arrived. This how you capitalize. This is parental advised, and apparently I'm over influenced by what you are doing. I thought I was doing the most of someone's.
Judging by this lineup, I think they're gonna do a reverse burnout competition or something like that. I don't know.
I'll get off the line since I heard that Volkswagen on open space.
That was it?
Miatas always went limbos, Volkswagen always went two steps.
Oh shit.
Like that car?
Love you, Dad. Get him, Dad. Jesus. How loud was that?
Fucking loud.
My ears are ringing and shit. That was like straight gunshots.
I know. It hurt mine and
The little Mazda that could, come on.
cover ears.
Those flames are blue. I wish it was at night. Dude, that fucking thing was like pointing at me.
All right, here.
Just like it began. He hit that two-step in his point.
Look at this Evo here with the car seat in the back. That's awesome. Who says an Evo is not a family car? This reminds me of old Fast and Furious days, back when that came out. I wonder if it has underglow. Still really clean. With the GTO. Hell yeah. Thanks, man. Alright, so I'm about to leave and go get some food. It was a really good turnout and event. It's starting to rain again, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I thought it was kind of funny. So I'm parked out here really far out in the parking lot, and then we got this sweet mint Honda parked next to my car. So I just thought that was funny. And then there's a 335i on the other side that is a 6-speed, so that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna go get some food now since I am in Indianapolis, Indiana. There's probably some good food here. Probably maybe hit the Cheesecake Factory or something like that. I don't know, but this rain needs to quit and it's terrible. But it was an awesome event, awesome two-step. Thank you to all my followers and everything. Like and subscribe if you want more. Alright, so I'm at this random gas station in Gas City, and this is Quentin. This is his Velociter. He just stopped to check out the G. And he's gonna drive by and give us an exhaust clip. He has a Borla exhaust on this. Oh, he's doing a burnout!